In today's information-rich world, fact-checking is a crucial activity, and it's now simpler than ever to do so thanks to the widespread use of digital tools and platforms. So learners, get ready to learn about some of the general understanding of the fact-checking procedure and expose you to a number of tools and platforms that can help with the information verification in the subsequent lessons. Good day. This lesson is about fact-checking on social media. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to define the term fact-checking and comprehend how it helps fight information disorder, to understand how information disorder affects society and the value of efficient fact-checking, recognize the value of critical thinking and media literacy in advancing truth in reporting, to get familiar with the framework of recognizing information disorder and how it may be used to spot incorrect or misleading information, to look at numerous illustrations of fact-checking initiatives on social media, to point out and debate the problems with fact-checking on social media, to assess the possible issues with fact-checking in social media and how it affects expression, privacy, and public trust, as well as consider some potential actions that technology firms, national governments, media outlets, and the general public should do to help fact-checking initiatives or campaigns. So the first part of this lesson is the definition and importance of fact-checking process in the context of information disorder. To synthesize this part of this lesson, fact-checking verifies the accuracy of information in publications like news articles, ads, and social media posts. It is crucial in today's digital era to combat the spread of misleading information and its consequences on public opinion, government decisions, and health outcomes. Fact-checking involves analyzing sources, conducting research, and cross-referencing with reliable information. Trustworthy sources are essential, and fact-checking plays a vital role in promoting accountability, transparency, and critical thinking in journalism, research, politics, advertising, education, engineering, business, agriculture, and society as a whole. You will also understand what SIFT means and how it plays a role in the meaning or context of information disorder. On the section on the framework of spotting information disorder, it is the recognition of trustworthy sources in today's information-rich society being a crucial part due to the ease of disseminating incorrect information through social media or digital media. Several factors should be considered, including the credibility of the author or organization, the reliability of the data and evidence provided, the reputation of the source, and the context of the information. These considerations help assess the objectivity, accuracy, and relevance of the information. Various frameworks, such as those addressing information disorder, can aid in identifying and combating information. And one of them are those that you see on your screen right now. Fact-checking on social media platforms has become increasingly important in addressing the spread of misinformation. This section on examples, shortcomings, and concerns on fact-checking in social media talk about platforms like Facebook and Twitter that has implemented fact-checking programs to label false or misleading content. However, there are shortcomings and concerns associated with these programs, including the sheer volume of content to be checked, potential biases in fact-checking organizations, and the effectiveness of fact-check labels in changing users' beliefs. Additionally, the fast-paced nature of social media and the prevalence of algorithmic amplification pose challenges to timely and widespread fact-checking efforts. In today's digital landscape, the swift and extensive spread of emotionally charged information on social media is unsurprising, given that these platforms are primarily designed for users to publicly engage through likes, comments, and shares. Despite the rapid growth of fact-checking organizations, misinformation continues to proliferate. Here is a discussion on actionable recommendations to address this issue. These suggestions span across technology companies, national governments, media organizations, and the community, aiming to establish transparency, enhance public discourse, and combat the detrimental effects of information disorder. After these lessons, you will have to answer a 5-item knowledge check and proceed to a learning activity. This social media audit activity will educate you the importance of evaluating internet content critically and the impact that false or misleading information can have on your own and other people's lives. At this point, I wish you good luck and enjoy lesson 1.